In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the easiest way for you to get your 4,000 watch hours within 1 week using the latest feature that YouTube just updated. So guys, let's hop into the screen record. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Safari or your Chrome browser. Then you search for studio.youtube.com. Then you click on it for long. Then click on open on new tab. Open a new tab. Open in new tab. So once that's open, click on continue to studio. It's loading. So once you're inside your YouTube studio, click on this star icon here. You see that like star. Once you've clicked on it, so once you've clicked on it, you see something like, hello, you write your channel name. How can I help you? So once you click on it, so you click on this ask something. So guys, then you can click, then you type what you want to ask. You can easily type analyze. You click on you type analyze the videos in my channel and judging from the most view with high retention. Make sure you put high retention because some videos get this thing views, but the retention rate is dropping. But the retention rate is not good. With high retention, give me my next video idea for more watch time. So guys, once you've typed this in, you can easily screenshot it. So once you've typed it in, click on this send. So it's loading. It's analyzing it. So yeah, you just have to wait. It doesn't take long. So once it has analyzed it, you can see based on performance on this thing. You can see performance variety. So guys, make sure you read through this. You read through everything. You read through it. Then it gives you your next video idea. So if you want to learn more, if you want to tell you more, you can just simply click on tell me more about your next video idea. You can ask it how do you start your, you can ask it like it should, you can tell it to give you hook for your next video that will make viewers stick in more and give you your 4,000 watch hour easily. You can see it analyzes the ocean, so there's no need for ChatGPT, there's no need for Gemini. This thing is like Gemini and ChatGPT but inside YouTube itself, so you can see everything your channel. It tells you what to do to make YouTube recommend your videos and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you grab one or two from the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks.